method of education is versus West. A teacher from Western country recently visited the elementary school in an Asian country in one class. There were 60 young children as they learned to draw a cat. The teacher drew a big circle on the blackboard, and 60 children copied in their papers. The teacher drew a smaller circle on top of the first, and then put two triangles on top of it. The children drew in the same way. The lesson continued until there were 61 identical cats in the classroom. Students cat looked exactly like the one on the board. The visiting teacher watched the lesson and was surprised. The teaching methods were very much different from the way of teaching in her own country. The children are listened in her own country produced harmful and iniquity factors. It one completely different from the others. Why? What causes the difference in educational methods? In a classroom in any country, the instructor teaches more than other history or language. He or she also teaches culture, the ideas and belief of that society. Each educational system is a mirror that reflects and culture of the society. In a society such as United States or Canada, which has many national, religious, and cultural differences, people highly value individualism and difference between people. Teacher plays a lot of importance in qualities that make each student special. The educational system in that country show these values. Students do not. The traditional system in that country show these values. Students do not memorize information. Instead, they work individually and find answers themselves. There is often discussion in the classroom at an early age. Students learn from their own ideas and opinions. In most Asian societies, by contrast, the people have the same language, history, and culture. Perhaps for this reason, the educational system in much of the Orient reflects society belief in group goal and purpose rather than individualism. Children in China, Japan, and Korea often work together and help each other in achievement. In the classroom, the teaching methods are often very not formal. The teacher lectures and the student listen. There's not much discussion. Instead, the student recite rules and information that they have memorized. There are advantages and disadvantages to both in their system of education. For example, one advantage to the system in Japan students there learn much more math and science than American students learn by the end of the high school. They also study more hours each day and more days each year than North Americans do. The system is difficult, but it prepares students for society values discipline and self-control. There is, however, a disadvantage. Memorization is an important learning method in Japan school. Yet many students say that after an exam, they forget much of the information that they have memorized. The advantage to the educational system in North America, on the other hand, is that students learn to think for themselves. The system prepares them for a society that values creative ideas. There is, however, a disadvantage. When students graduate from high school, they haven't memorized as many basic rules and facts as students in other countries have.